Samahang Batangueño Qatar.
Magandang gabi po. Kasama ko po ngayon ang mga officers ng Samahang Batangueño Qatar. Kasama ko po ngayon si Ginoong Emin Guevara, isa sa officers ng Samahang Batangueño Qatar. Sir, ano po ba ang ipinamimigay natin sa ating mga kababayang OFW dito sa Polo OWA?
Ang amin pong napagkaisa na ipamigay ay ito pong mga pampers na rin, tama? At saka po yung Colgate, sabon, na para po sa bawat isa sa mga OFW natin na dito na distress. So, sa tulong po ng aming mga kasamahan, ibang organisasyon at ang buong official po ng SBQ, kami po ay nagbigay ng sarili po namin pera upang ating pong matulungan ang aming pong mga kababayan.
So, ang lahat po na ito ay may sponsor po ba kayo o kayo lang po lahat na nasa SBQ?
Kami pong lahat na nasa SBQ ay tulong-tulong pong nagbigay niyan. Pero meron pong mga ibang organisasyon at individual na nagbigay para po suportahan kami.
Madam, ano pong pangalan nila?
Fritzy.
Fritzy. Madam Fritzy, ano po ang masasabi ninyo sa ating mga kababayang nandito sa Polo OWA na ating binibigyan ng grasya sa ngayon?
Ang masasabi ko lang is sana wag silang mawala ng pag-asa. I know na makakaranas sila ng mga pagsubok, dumarating yan sa buhay. Basta manalangin din sila palagi and everything will be okay.
Okay po. Kayo po, sir, ano po pangalan nila?
Jonah.
Mr. Jonat, ano po ang masasabi ninyo na dito naganap ang isang makabuluhang ika-5 anibersaryo ng SBQ?
Kasi naisip namin talaga na kung mag-celebrate kami at may naman tayo mga kababayan na less privilege kumbaga. So napagkasunduan namin na bakit hindi namin i-celebrate ito nakasama sila. Nang sa ganun, nagsasaya kami while nakakatulong din sa mga kapwa natin.
Okay. Ayan po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras, sir. Ito po si Fritzy nag-uulat para sa Balitang News.
Maraming balik diyan. Maramay po natin dyan. Just for the stars, you feel right from my heart. You feel like you take me away and make it again. It's where I'll be at. You want it control, so I'm waiting and put on a show. I'm waiting to say I'm a kid. My ego is big, I don't give a shit. And it goes like this. Take me by the time I'll know you. Kiss me till the time that I'll own. You wanna move like Jack, gotta move like Jack, gotta move like Jack. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own. You wanna move like Jack, gotta move like Jack, gotta move. Maybe it's fine. It feels like you're broken and scarred. It feels like that when you're away. My ego feels. So get in the car. You can ride it wherever you want. Get excited that you wanna steer, but I'm shifting gears. I'll take it from here. And it goes like this. Take me by the time I'll know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll own. You wanna move like Jack, gotta move like Jack, gotta move like Jack. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own. You wanna move like Jack, gotta move like Jack, gotta move. You wanna know how to make me smile, take control only just for the night. But if I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see that. So what you learn, I wanna show you twice. Head to toe, ooh baby, you're only right. But if I share my secret, secret. Gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see it. Hey, hey, hey. It goes like this. Take me by the time I'll know you. Keep it till it's right. I'll own you. Wanna move like Jack. Gotta move like Jack. Gotta move like Jack, girl. Move like Jack, girl. I am a painful trying to go from all of the change I feel in you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I'm struggling to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here with me. Too late to make it, and it's too late to try. You have time that you wasted all of our bridges been laid. I've wasted my nights to turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, stuck in the time when we call love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a painful trying to go home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after didn't exist. I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of shit. One was stupid love for our business. You turn your back on tomorrow, you forgot yesterday. I give you my love for our life. Just get away, but you get to be fine. I didn't expect you to care. No, I got all the bridges turned down. I've wasted my night to turn out a light. Now I'm paralyzed, stuck in the time we call love. I'm a painful trying to go home. All of the chains I spent on you. Where have the times There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch and bringing me out of dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me how will I let you back. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch and bringing me out of dark. Scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love leave me breathless. I can't help feeling you could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you've had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it to the beat. Baby, I'm sorry to be told, but I've heard the one who I'm gonna make your head burn. See me in the depths of your despair, making a home down there, 'cause my show won't share. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love relieve me breathless. I can't help feeling you could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you've had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it with a beat. You could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it with the beat. For your soul, through every open door, count your blessings, find what you're looking for. Turn my sorrow into precious gold, making me back in time to reap just what you sow. You're gonna wish you never have left me. Tears are gonna fall, rolling in the deep. You're gonna wish you could have had it all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You have my hand inside of your head, but you played it to the beat. You could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You've had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat. Thank you so much po. Next to nga po kalalaman. Sumayaw, mapabugi man o cha-cha, ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo ng El Bimbo. Nakakainda, nakakaliw, nakakatindig, balahibo. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay diretso na sa inyo, at kung maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Magkahawak ang ating kamay, walang kamalay-malay, at tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ako. Naninigas ang aking katawan pag umikot ng plaka, patay sa kembot ng belo mo. May mga mata, lumiliwanag ang buhay habang tayo'y magkaakbay. Dahan-dahan dumudulas ang kamay ko sa mainit mong braso. Noon pa man ay sinabi na sa iyo, kahit hindi na uso ay ito lang ang alam ko. Magkahawak ang ating kamay na walang kamalay-malay, na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. La 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 la, la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la, la 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 la. Lumipas ang maraming taon, di na tayo nagkita. Balita ko'y may anak ka na, ngunit walang asawa. Tagahugas ka raw ng pinggan sa may ermita, at sang gabi nasagasaan sa isang madilim na iskinitan. Lahat ng pangarap ko'y bigla lang nagulaw. Sa panaginip na lang talaga may sasaya. Pagkahawa ang aking kamay, wala ang malay-malay. At tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. La la Salamat po. Ang last song nga po pala namin, Balikan.
Si Don June Santiago at of course ang SBQ family. At syempre pa, hindi magiging posible ang gabi na ito kung hindi sa pakikipagtulungan at pakikisama nyo sa amin ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po sa inyo mga ate. Next year ulit, pero for sure ibang batch na yon. Kasi pag sinabi ko next year, hindi sa...
May konti po kaming handa para sa inyo, handa para sa inyo.
Meron kaya?
Pagpasensya nyo na po kung yung nakayanan ng mga kaibigan natin, mga miyembro natin. And hayaan nyo po, very napakisilan po na panahon po plano namin ito. At hindi pa po ito ang huling pagtulong namin sa inyo. Maaaring hindi na po kayo yung mga batches na nawa. Sana po kayo makauwi na rin sa inyo. O maayos yung mga papeles nyo. Pero isa pong pangako ang gusto kong ibigay mula sa in behalf of Samahang Batanggenyo Qatar na patuloy po kaming tutulong sa mga distressed OFW workers. Patuloy po kaming hihingi ng tulong sa iba't ibang organisasyon para ihandog sa inyo, para makarating sa inyo. May mga tao rin po tayong mga kaibigan na handang tumulong at nagpapahati ng pledge, ika nga ng pangako na tutulong sila for your future needs. Ano po yung mga, kasi kailangan nyo na po ng mga tickets. Maaaring hindi po kayo matapatan ng mga tulong na yun, pero as a group po, as a mga kababaihan po rito sa Qatar na kagaya ng sitwasyon nyo, yung mga naroon na rin sa loob at ng mga darating pa, na sana naman mabawasan na ito. Wala na yung mga ganitong karanasan na masakit iuwi sa atin. So may mga konti lang po yung t-shirts namin dala na sana po sa mga tao makakakuha itong piraso na t-shirts is daladala nyo ang alaala na minsan sa Qatar may Batanggenyong tumulong sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Muli ang 13 Pamilya! Pagpaka naman natin sila!
Kami tumawag sa'yo. Strip, yo! Balikan King, senyalis na pinilaki sa amin na obra at talento ng tunay na palaban. Ang bandita sa pagdilan ng Pinoy na nagbabaga sa loob Pilipino. Binubuo ng mga tao, pinagkakatiwalaan sa larangan ng pakikipagtalastasan. Sa pakikipagbalitaktakan, di magpapaiwan.
Balitang Q, senyalis ng Pinoy na kung saan Ina-obra ang talento na tunay na palaban Ang balita sa pagbilan ng Pinoy ay nagbabaga Sari-sari mga detalye sa Qatar ilalakad Balitang Q, senyalis ng Pinoy na kung saan Ina-obra ang talento na tunay na palaban Ang balita sa pagbilan ng Pinoy ay nagbabaga Sari-sari mga detalye sa Qatar ilalakad